Welcome to my That Muffin Art channel. Drawing is an enriching process, and whatever you want to draw or paint is a very amazing work. Drawing encourages you to really look at the world around you. You start noticing details, light, shadows, texture, and proportion that might go unnoticed otherwise. It helps in visualizing ideas and expressing emotions, opening up a space for creative thought and exploration. The practice of drawing improves hand eye coordination and precision. Creating a detailed drawing requires concentration, patience, and the ability to work through challenges. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Mastering shading brings depth and realism to your painting. Creating a painting or drawing with one continuous line without lifting your pencil. Start experimenting by drawing simple shapes and turning them into more complex characters or ideas. It is a skill that improves with practice. Start with simple exercises and over time challenge yourself with more complex subjects. Thanks for watching this video.